Algorand. As far as the Algo support floor goes, EMA10 is currently priced at 29 cents, which is a very big number. In this video, we'll show you how to take the Algorand cost test now or in about a week. Based on the fact that Algo dropped 11.01 points in 7 days, and analysts thought Algorand was worth 12 cents to July 2023. Trying to answer these questions has often helped people understand certain facts. How much will Algo really cost in the short run, and is it a good investment? Before we get too deep into the details of the basic analysis of Algo, we'd like to know what the real short-term cost plan is for Algo and if it's a good investment or not. Let's talk about what's going on in the economy right now and why the Algo has dropped 11.01 points in 7 days. In spite of what most people think, Bitcoin only has 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a 16.33% lead. This has caused Bitcoin's price to drop by 0.19 to $33,513 which is a big deal for other digital currencies like Ethereum, whose value has dropped by 0.51 to $19,155 in the last 24 hours. Coco's BCX also went down to 60 cents after she lost 0.77 in value. These things show that the market is usually going down, and Algorand is worth 12 cents right now. This video will tell you everything you need to know about the algorithm cost from 0 to July 2, 2023. We'll also try to answer some of the most commonly asked questions about important problem-solving facts for the next exam or 1 week from now. What is the short-term cost outlook for Algo? And what is a very smart guess that goes against what most people think, which is that the entire crypto market is about to take a very big, very bad drop, which is important in every way that matters. Help and resistance for Algorand. Support and resistance are important technical signs that are used to find key price levels where the trend could change. On the coin market right now, there has been a very big and bad drop. Market support is a level where sellers get very busy and stop the price of a coin from going down even more, which is a big deal. At a level called opposition, traders get very busy and stop the price of a coin from going up. This shows that Algorand's M110 has a mostly downward trend. Here are the amounts of help and trouble for Algorand's Algorand's death. The current algorithmic value is 12 cents, and there have been 465128181 trades in the last 24 hours. This means that XRP, the local currency, is up 1.54 cents and is trading at 48 cents in a kind of important way. Algo is up about 0.16% since yesterday and has a market capitalization of $909,318.732. This means that while this blog was being sent out, BNB Exchange Algorand price analysis for 0 to Union and disparity map support and resistance levels for different time span moving midpoints, such as normal small and dramatic normal. EMA to generally look at how the Algorand will change in the future. Which shows that before we get too deep into the Algo technical analysis, let's talk about how the economy is doing right now. So Algo fall 11.01 in 7 days in a by and large matter because the Algorand has broken all of its support levels and things don't look good for the crypto market, which is a market for cryptocurrencies. Algo's Williams percent or pointer is at 40,299 for the 14-day period. Support is a level where buyers become more busy and keep the price of the coin from falling further. A and SA do the same thing. Standard Chartered's prediction for Bitcoin in 2024 has gone up to 120,000. Since the beginning of the year, the price of Bitcoin has gone up by 80%, but at just over $32,000, it is still less than half of what it will be in November 2021, when it will be worth $69,000. This is according to Standard Chartered. On Monday, I said that the price of Bitcoin, which is the most well-known cryptocurrency, could reach $50,000 this year and $120,000 by the end of 2024. The current rise in the price of Bitcoin may make miners want to keep more Bitcoin in April. Due to the end of the so-called crypto winter, Standard Chartered said that Bitcoin would be worth $100,000 by the end of 2024. One of the bank's top foreign exchange experts, Jeff Kendrick, said that this prediction now has a 20% upside. Kendrick wrote in a report that BTC's profits went up slightly. Bitcoin mining lets them sell less and still keep getting money. Since the beginning of the year, lowering net BTC supply and driving up BTC prices. The price of Bitcoin has gone up by 80%, but at just over $32,000, it is still less than half of what it will be in November 2021, when it will be worth $69,000. In 2022, central banks raised interest rates, and many crypto companies, like the FTX exchange, went bankrupt, wiping out trillions of dollars. But the fall of a number of big banks this year has helped the economy get better. Standard Chartered said that its prediction of a price increase was based on the fact that the miners who create the 900 new bitcoins that are made every day around the world would soon have to sell fewer bitcoins to cover their costs, which are mostly made up of electricity to power supercomputers. Kendrick thinks that miners recently sold 100 of their new coins, but if the price goes up to $50,000, they may only sell 20 to 30%. This is the same as miners selling fewer bitcoins each day, from 900 to 180 to 270. This would cut the amount of miner bitcoin sales from 328,500 to between 65,798,550 per year, which is a drop of about 250,000 bitcoins. By April or May, only half as many bitcoins will be able to be mined each day. Bitcoin, BTC, falls back below $30,000, but if these correlations hold, it should go up. Re-emerge. Bitcoin, BTC, the digital currency that runs the world's largest decentralized cryptographically secure network, fell about 1.5% on Tuesday to around $29,700. Earlier in the day, it briefly hit new one-month lows around $29,500. The cryptocurrency has been losing steam since it hit a new yearly high near $31,800 last week. At the time, it was helped by 1. Wall Street heavyweights filing for spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and 2. A U.S. judge's ruling on XRP that markets saw as crypto bullish. In its most recent drop, BTC has fallen about 2.5% below its 21-day moving average. If the cryptocurrency loses support in the mid-$29,000 range between late June and early July, it is likely to drop to support in the mid-$28,000 range. Even though the technical picture for Bitcoin in the short term is not good, BTC could be helped by macro